Welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to change the primary driver on your Tesla app. Tesla driver profiles are personalized accounts that store your preferred vehicle settings like seat position, climate control, and navigation history. Managing these profiles is crucial for multi-user households or fleet operations. Profiles help customize settings for each user. From climate controls to navigation, everything adapts to the primary driver. The touchscreen interface makes it easy to manage these settings. By the end of this video, you'll be able to seamlessly switch profiles and manage access levels. The primary driver profile is the default profile that controls most vehicle interactions, from unlocking the car to initiating drives. It's different from secondary profiles, which can have restricted access like speed limits or feature limitations. The primary driver has full access to all vehicle features and settings. Switching to a different primary driver changes these default settings, such as seat positions and preferences. To start, open your Tesla app on your smartphone or tablet. Once open, navigate to the Vehicle section at the bottom of the app. Then tap on Driver Profiles in the Vehicle menu. Here, you'll see a list of all profiles linked to your Tesla. Make sure you're logged into the account that owns the vehicle to access full features. Select the driver profile you want to make the primary driver. Tap Set as Primary. The app will prompt you to confirm the change. This might require vehicle confirmation via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi for security. Once confirmed, the new profile becomes the primary, automatically adjusting settings like seat position and mirrors. This entire process should only take a few minutes. Tesla implements multiple security layers to prevent unauthorized changes to driver profiles. These measures ensure that only authorized users can modify the primary driver and access levels. One common security measure is PIN verification. When attempting to change the primary driver, you may need to enter a PIN code that you set up in your Tesla account. This prevents unauthorized access to profile settings. In addition to PINs, Tesla offers biometric authentication. This includes facial recognition, where your smartphone camera scans your face to verify identity before allowing profile changes. This modern approach reduces reliance on passwords and enhances security. These security measures are crucial because they protect your Tesla vehicle and personal data. By requiring PIN or biometric verification, Tesla ensures that only authorized users can make changes to driver profiles and access levels, maintaining the integrity of your driving experience. Tesla offers 3 access levels for driver profiles to help manage vehicle use. Full access provides complete control for primary drivers, including all features like seat adjustments and climate control. Limited access restricts certain features, making it suitable for teen drivers or guests. This can limit speed, media controls, or other functions for safety. No drive access is view only, allowing monitoring of the vehicle without the ability to operate it. You can customize these access levels in the Tesla app under the Driver Profiles section. Simply select a profile and adjust the settings. Here's how the driver profile settings look in the app, showing options to add new drivers. You can see the list of existing profiles and how to manage them. And here's the customization interface for adjusting access levels. If you encounter issues changing the primary driver, ensure your Tesla app is up to date. Update the app through your device's app store to access the latest features. Check your internet connection, as profile syncing requires a stable connection. Ensure you're connected to Wi-Fi or cellular data before making changes. If the change doesn't sync immediately, try restarting the Tesla app or the vehicle's touchscreen. Force close and reopen the app, or reboot the vehicle to refresh the connection. For persistent problems, contact Tesla's support chat for assistance. They typically resolve issues in under 10 minutes via the in-app support feature. Tesla's driver management is evolving with AI-driven personalization that automatically adjusts profiles based on driving patterns. Machine learning adapts settings like seat position and climate controls within hours of recognizing new habits. Future updates may include integration with external ecosystems like Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, allowing seamless syncing of profiles across devices. This enhances usability for users already in these ecosystems. Expect advanced security features like predictive access that unlocks the vehicle based on proximity and schedule, along with biometric and multi-factor authentication to prevent unauthorized changes. These innovations aim to create a seamless and secure driving experience, with personalized safety settings, potentially reducing accidents by 15 to 20% through adaptive profiles.